Okay, so I have a sequence here, and I can see my first value in the sequence, a sub 1, is equal to 3. And then I see my next value, a sub 2, is equal to the previous value, a sub 1, and then I multiply that by 4. If I look at the next value in the sequence, a sub 3, I see that I take the previous value, which this time is a sub 2, and again, I multiply that by 4. And then for the last value in the sequence here, a sub 4, I take the previous value, which again is a sub 3 is the previous value, and then I multiply by 4. So if we want to write an explicit rule for this, we're thinking about a rule where we can find any value in the sequence. So a sub n, any value. And that's going to be equal to, well, first we need our starting value, which again is 3 here. So it's equal to 3, that's what we start with. And then what do we do to find each value in the sequence? Well, it looks like each of these times we multiply by 4. And the number of times we're going to have to multiply by 4, so we multiply by 4, the number of times that we do multiply by 4 depends on which number in the sequence we are at. So for example, for a sub 2, we multiply by 4 once. For a sub 3, we've multiplied by 4 twice now. For a sub 4, we've multiplied by 4 3 times now. So the number is just going to be, the number of times that we multiply by 4 is 1 less than the value in the sequence. So again, for the second value in the sequence, we multiplied by 4 once, and so on. So a sub n equals 3 times 4 to the power of n minus 1, because we're multiplying by 4 1 less times than the number of, where we are in that sequence. So this is our final explicit rule. A sub n equals 3 times 4 to the n minus 1.